Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Kraken staking. Kraken staking offers cryptocurrency staking services to users. Its main purpose is to allow individuals to earn passive income by staking their cryptocurrencies on the Kraken exchange. The target audience is cryptocurrency investors looking to generate returns on their holdings. Key features include various supported cryptocurrencies and different staking options. Their website provides details on supported assets, staking rewards, and the risks involved. Kraken advertises a user-friendly interface and transparent pricing, highlighting the varying annual percentage yields, APYs, for each cryptocurrency. They don't charge hidden fees, and there are no contracts required. The platform uses established blockchain technology for secure staking. Availability is worldwide, subject to local regulations and currency availability. Users can easily check supported assets on the Kraken website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Kraken staking. Getting started was surprisingly easy. I already had a Kraken account, so setting up staking only took a few minutes. The interface is clean and intuitive. I quickly found the assets I wanted to stake, and the process of delegating my tokens was straightforward. I staked some ETH and SOL. The performance has been excellent. I've been receiving the expected staking rewards consistently, and the payouts have been accurate and timely. I had a quick question about the unstaking process, and their support team responded within 24 hours via email. I was really impressed by how clear and comprehensive the information on the dashboard was. The standout feature for me was definitely the wide variety of supported coins, giving me plenty of options to diversify my staking portfolio. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app. I had to manage everything via the desktop website. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Kraken staking. It's a reliable and user-friendly platform that has exceeded my expectations in terms of ease of use and return on investment. That's my overview of Kraken staking. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.